So I was not a packing cube person until I found out about compression packing cubes. These have saved me when I need extra room in my suitcase. I got the pack of 4. This is just the black color. To be honest, I love all the features about it. It even has a handle too. You never know when you're gonna need a handle, but it comes in handy. They are just really nice quality. They have a little bit of like a water resistant coating on top. So if I need to wipe them down, I literally just take a rag and a little bit of water and just kind of wipe it off if they get dirty. But the compression part is awesome. I don't fill them all the way up because I noticed that the compression doesn't work as well when it is fully like full. So I do it about 2/3 of the way full, and then I get the most out of my compression. The compression will help save about 30 to 40% of your suitcase. So it's not as much as like a vacuum sealed bag would do, but it does do the job much better than normal packing cubes. So you open this up, you'll put all of your clothes in here, whatever you want. I literally put all of my clothes in here, and I will undo the whole thing. So it is fully open to put everything in there. So you can see that just like stretched out that much. So the gray one is the normal zipper where you put the clothes in. So you'll put your clothes in here, zip this part up, and then you'll take your compression section that starts right here and then zip this up as much as you can. See how much you're able to flatten it. Like I said, don't fill it to the max. I've noticed it doesn't work as well when you do that. And then you zip it up. And then it is nice and flat. It does a really good job. So I would definitely recommend this product. I have the 4, it also comes in a pack of 6, but these are awesome for creating a little bit more space in your suitcases.